Okay, another drizzly, cloudy, half-ass foggy day today. Pretty much the norm for the year. And this thing broke down again. Trying to cut feed. I got one field done, went all right, and I was in the second field. And this piece here broke. It was broken welded before, which I never really noticed till it broke this time. And I don't know, I think it's pretty sure it's cast, but anyway, it really doesn't matter because I got weld here I can kind of clean up and work with. Oh man. Anyway, so it's a plan for right now, start getting that fixed because the sun's supposed to come out for 4 days. So get that done, get some more feed cut, and went into St. John last night. Got some stuff for the trailer, get a coupler, a jack, wire and harness, you know, this stuff I need to get her road legal. A friend of mine had some lights, they're just kicking around in his garage, so he gave them to me. And I don't know, he had a bunch of like wire like that too in the bag that he had with him. Figured just for the $17 wiring harness at Princess Auto, just as easy to buy that and wire it in that way. So I gotta get set up here. Get my generator out. So I've been using that for welding. It just saves running an extension cord and going through the breaker panel of my house. Draws a lot of power, and it likes to pop the breakers. So anyways, the generator will just run it, so might as well use that. Have it anyway, so might as well use it. All right, get set up here and start grinding out, shining things up, and start welding. Okay, I got a zip cut on the grinder. I'm probably going to destroy it trying to take it off, so might as well kind of finish it up here in this. So basically, before I start trying to clean that break up, I'm gonna narrow this spot up a little bit just so that coupler will fit on. It's just, I don't know, half an inch wider or something. But anyway, then that'll wear that zip cut out, and then it doesn't matter. So okay, I'll start here with this, and then I'll put a better grinding stone on and start cleaning that up. Okay, got some of it cut through, and there, that zip cut's completely destroyed. So put a grinding wheel on and start cleaning that break up. At least I got a shiny spot to start welding. Gonna try and put something in here, close that gap up somehow. That helped, didn't it? Alright, there we go. like that. Alright, I'll probably finish narrowing this up, and then I can just, while I get that going, then I'll get the welder out and weld that. Alright, got the coupler in place. Now I just gotta bolt it and add some weld to it, and at least that part's done. Just one step closer to having a road legal trailer. Say got quite a bit of stuff last night. Still have to get tires for it, and as far as fenders go, I don't know whether to try and fabricate some here or just buy them. Probably end up just buying fenders. And I do gotta find, I want to find like a smaller 16-inch tire too, so I just don't need tires that big on here. And anyways, say I got this far. Drizzle stopping, the sun's almost coming out. So anyways, I guess I'll get my welder out and fire the generator back up and start doing some welding on that mower. Alright, I got a start on it. Hopefully this holds. I just gotta get everything kind of moved out more and try and lean this mower over so I can get in kind of on the sides more. And say I'll hit that with a grinder, thin her out some, and say just kind of keep building it up, and hopefully she holds. So I really can't afford to go buy anything else right now. Maybe next year, but not right now. So anyway, I say just got to start on it. So unhook this, and all right, I'll do some messing around here, see what I can't do with this, and hopefully I can start welding in the sides. All right, I got the bar down anyway. See what's gonna happen here. Hey, that's promising. Hitting in the middle means my timing's good. All right, perfect. Okay, right there's out as far as it'll go. So I'm gonna kind of, if I can get this thing tipped up one way or the other, I can start getting in on the sides of this. Gotta love repairs. Actually, that's not even being sarcastic. I really do like doing this stuff. So, all right, see what I can do. All right, got it propped up here like this, so hopefully I can get in there. Hard to see in this, but the crack is running there, so hopefully she's up enough. I can get in there and get a good bead of weld on that. Then I gotta flip her around and maybe like turn it up the other way. Should be even harder to do, but anyway, let's get in there and see what I can do. as it went out, but they say you should heat cast. That's still going a bit. So if that's cast, they say to heat it before you weld it. Well, anyway, there's some old grease in there. Caught fire. So that should heat it. Yeah, it's just kind of a joke. So anyways, I got the front welded, I got that side welded. Now I'll try and flip it up here the other way, try and get the other side done some, and say then I'll hit that front again. Yeah, that in there is not the prettiest weld, but it's hard to get in there. So any hoodles, let's keep going. All right, get her up the other way as far as I can get it. Having trouble getting in there to clean that up, but yeah, there we are. A bit of grease there, but enough shine and weld down here to start with. So I'm not too worried about that grease. That'll go away once that heat hits it. So as you can see, I got quite a little crack here. Let's get that all filled in. Okay, try and get a good wide bead on there, thicken it up good. So let's get at this. Might have to set a hose up. It's a hard spot to get at, but it is going. There's one little hole left right there, so I'm gonna let that cool down good, and then I'll just start welding again. So just gonna build that weld up and slowly get everything closed in around here. The old grease is getting burned out of her. And she's sizzling up here. So anyway, I'll let this cool down, take a bit of a break, and get back in here and start welding again. Another rod or two and should have her done. Say maybe tomorrow I can get up into a field, try this out. Okay, got the brake all welded. Just gonna put the washers and nuts back on that piece there to hold my bar in. But anyway, back here, there we go. See, that's extended out. Teeth are hitting good in the center. It's good going the other way in the center, so it's timed good. And it's not the prettiest weld, but it's really thick in there. So anyways, I don't care if it's pretty as long as it holds. And it's weather's supposed to be good after today for a few days, so hopefully tomorrow, maybe Monday, I can get out and start doing some more cutting. And anyways, guess that's it. So well, I'll end this here for now, and say if I can start mowing here, I'll try and get a video of that, and hopefully this repair holds. So later.